Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hotel-style tomato soup. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes for a vibrant base. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For the liquid, prepare 1 cup of good quality vegetable broth and a half cup of rich heavy cream. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious soup. Let's get cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Then, add your chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Now, let's achieve that signature smooth texture. Allow the tomato mixture to simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until the tomatoes are very soft and easily break apart. Carefully transfer the hot mixture to a blender and process until it is completely smooth. For an extra silky finish, pass the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down to extract all the liquid and leaving behind any seeds or skin. Almost ready to enjoy. Return your beautifully smooth soup to the pot over low heat. Now, slowly stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream until it is fully incorporated, giving the soup its luxurious, creamy consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your hotel-style tomato soup hot, perhaps with a swirl of extra cream or a sprinkle of fresh basil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.